Hey guys, so from the title of this video, you probably guessed what this video is about. And yeah, so my Amazon package of like $200, like $189 was stolen. This is like so not clickbait. Like, I would not be making a video with no makeup on and like my huge ass, sorry, should not swear, but my huge dog in the back. I'll tell you right now, like, everything turned out to be okay. Like, I got a refund for my package and everything, but it wasn't like your normal, like, stealing a package, like, from the front doorstep sort of thing. It wasn't like that. It was, oh my God. So I ordered all this stuff for going back to school. So I'm going back to school. I'm a student again. And so I just ordered some like fall clothes off of Amazon. And I also obviously wanted to do like an Amazon haul of everything I got, which is just like, I don't know. So anyway, so I ordered some stuff like a week and a half ago, and it was gonna come in these 2 big shipments. And basically this is the first shipment, and the first shipment is what all the stuff got stolen that was in the box. So it was about, so the whole entire shipment was like $400, and I wasn't planning on keeping like everything. I was gonna try things on and then ship back whatever I didn't want. And so the package came a couple days ago to my dad's house because I live downtown Minneapolis, and I was like, I'm not gonna have this big package stolen from my front doorstep, so I'm gonna ship it to my dad's house. And my dad always gets my packages, it's never a problem. And so anyway, I get to my dad's house and I look at the package and I was like, Dad, did you open this? Like, it doesn't have like the black Amazon nice tape on it. Like, it still has that, but it looks like it's been opened and then retaped back up. And I'm like, Dad, like, did you open this? And he was like, no. And like, my dad never opens my packages. That'd be so weird, you know. And I was like, that's so weird. Like, what if one of my brothers did? And you know, like, I don't know why they would do that, but that's so weird. So anyway, I open this package, my package, and all that's in it is this like freaking BS stuff, like tape, like packaging tape and balloons, and there was hot glue gun, but not like a hot glue gun. It was just like the glue sticks that you put in a hot glue gun. And then it has this group of like 10 pages of pretend packing slips that are from freaking Houston, Texas. And so anyway, so I was just like, what the heck? And then I started to realize, because when people say like, oh, my Amazon package was stolen, you think, oh, it was stolen off like the front doorstep or whatever. So anyway, I realized that it was stolen, that all the crap was stolen in it, and entire amount of like both of the order incomplete was about $400. But since only half the packet, they came in 2 shipments, it was $189, so about $200, so about half the package. So I called Amazon, like help or whatever, their like 1-800 number, and I got someone right away, which I was really surprised about. I got someone right away, and she was basically really nice, and we talked about like just what happened, and I was like, it came to my dad's house like this, like, you know, it's not like I just like someone stole off my porch or anything. Like, it literally has this BS stuff in it, which means, and she actually came to the conclusion of this, not me. She goes, so which means like someone at UPS, because that was the carrier it came from, someone at UPS stole it. So it wasn't even like, you know, an everyday person who like stole it off my front porch or something. Like, someone in UPS had like switched out all of the stuff, taped it back together, and then delivered it to my dad's house. And I was like, how freaking messed up is that? Like, you know, like, you're supposed to like trust, you know, people that work in these delivery places, but you know, I don't freaking know what they're supposed to do. Well, I guess it is like women's clothes and stuff, but I feel like everyone who works at UPS is like a man, so I don't know. So I don't know. So anyway, she refunded me the $189 of this package, but the other package comes in on Monday. So I don't know what to do. And she said just to call us back or whatever, but I'm like, I don't want them to think like I'm faking it. Like, this has never happened before in my life. And this is probably the biggest, I wouldn't say like most expensive. I know I've spent like money on like, you know, like buying camera equipment and stuff off of Amazon, but it came in like a little package. It was really expensive, but it came in like a smaller package. So I think when like the packages are bigger, you know, because it's full of clothes, and I had like 2 pairs of shoes, and I had like 2 mascaras and stuff like that, I think it's just more of a target, which is so freaking freaky. So my next package comes in on Monday, and I don't know if I'm going to get it. And so yeah, but anyway, she gave me like my money back for the first shipment, and I guess I'll see about the second one. But yeah, I just want to share that with you guys because that has never happened to me before, and it was like really scary because, I mean, it's not like I have a ton of money, you know, like I'm a student again, and I was just doing fall shopping on Amazon, you know, online, and you never, like, my dad's house is very safe. He lives kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and that's why I always have the packages shipped to him and not to me in the city, because I just don't want them stolen. And this is something like, it just, you know, you can't prevent this, you know, I couldn't have prevented that or whatever. I don't know, I feel like you're supposed to trust people who work in like the mail carrier systems and whatever. So anyway, sorry I don't have any makeup on. My dog's crazy. I have these towels down so he doesn't like drool all over them and just gross stuff. But yeah, that was my Amazon package stolen like experience, and I hope it does not happen again. And if it ever happens to you guys, just call Amazon customer service and they will probably be able to figure it out for you. But yeah, anyway, I wanted to make this video because one, I just didn't even know how to handle it myself. Like, this has never happened to me, and that was a lot of freaking money for me as a college student. That's a lot of money for me to have stolen. And I just hope this video helps somebody out there in YouTube land in case one of their Amazon packages gets stolen. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I love you, and I will see you in my next video.